This is Jamey Boyum with the Gregg County Courthouse. I'm here with District Attorney John Moore. And John, I guess you got some shortages in your department.
Yes, we've had trouble finding anyone to hire for over a year now. We're currently down 6 prosecutors in the office. We can't get applications. We're hoping this latest law school graduation and the bar exam in July will help that problem, but as of right now, it hasn't.
Okay, so how many are you down?
6. We're down 6 prosecutors right now out of an office of 18 total, including myself.
So what are you doing? I guess you just double up or whatever.
Everybody pitches in wherever they can. We put out fires every day. We try to look ahead and we try to prepare. People will be doing jobs that they don't normally do just because we have to. So like right now we have no appellate lawyer, so we pick and choose. Everyone gets to be an appellate lawyer.
Oh, wow, yeah, just rotation.
Rotation, that's it. Everyone goes, okay, I got this one. Okay, someone else will step in next time and grab the next one.
So are you down other positions too?
Appellate, felony prosecutors, felony intake officers, and misdemeanor prosecutors.
Okay, and so, but I guess you have some prospect, kind of like trainees?
We do. We currently have 3. They're called 3L bar students. They've graduated from law school. They can work on a bar card advisory under me. They can't do anything themselves, but they can fill in. We just have to basically overlook their work, make sure everything's fine. They have taken the bar and we're awaiting the results. It should be 1st of October before we hear.
Okay, so they can do like some of the paperwork or processing stuff and that kind of thing.
They can read reports, evaluate cases. It's very good training for them because they want to be prosecutors in the future. So this way they get a jump start on it.
Now, why do people just jump out of law school and go into defense?
Money. That's it. You can make more money. People don't want to come out and work anymore. And as far as everybody's having the same problem. Every district attorney's office I know has the same problem, even law firms. I don't know where all the lawyers have gone, but they've gone somewhere else.
So is there maybe in the future looking at some kind of raise for these employees?
Hopefully, I think the state's helping us with that. We just have to get people to apply, to want to come do this and want to come be trial attorneys before we can actually even look at paying them more money. We have to get someone interested in the prospect of that first.
Well, it seems like in the old days, as soon as people pass the bar, this is what they went into.
Yes, that's the way. Whenever I started, whenever Stacy, Carl Dura, we all started. That was what you did. If you wanted to be a trial lawyer, you went to the district attorney's office. You learned how to try a case. Most of the guys, the good defense attorneys out there now, they started in district attorney's offices. They worked for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years, learned the ropes, learned what to do, and then they went out on their own. That pipeline has seemed to have dried up now. I don't know what's happened to it.
I guess they're just bypassing training.
Going straight, because like the judges, you talk to the district judges, they have the same problem in appointed counsels. People who can't afford their own lawyers, they get appointed lawyers. They're taking people brand new and they're trying to teach them, and basically we have to help teach them in that aspect of trying cases because they've never tried a case before. So, but they're starting in defense work and going up that way because they can make more money.
Well, that's an unusual thing to do. Hey, this is how to beat me.
Exactly.
Almost.
Yeah, and we have to help them. There's something called protecting the record on appeal, because if someone doesn't know what they're doing and they try a case and we know it's going to turn around and be flipped on appeal, we don't want to try the case a second time. So you have to train on both ways.
Yeah, it's crazy. And then I guess do you know salary levels or anything like that off the top of your head?
The salary levels are going to run somewhere in the area of $100,000.
Starting.
Mm-hmm.
And then what's the top?
It'll be 140.
Okay.
Somewhere in that area.
Well, it's a decent amount of money, and it's guaranteed. You don't have to rely on winning or losing. Or
That's exactly right. Yeah, you don't have to go out and hustle. You're going to have a job come day in and day out, and through the learning process, you don't have to go out there and find your clients
until you get enough confidence to jump.
Exactly. Until you jump out there and you're confident enough in yourself that you can get someone to hire you to represent them.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for the information. I appreciate it. So, shortages all over the place, it seems. We'll have more later. KLTV 7 News and KLTV.com.